Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. If you are new here, the reason that I do this channel is to help women of a certain age to look and feel your best. Why do I have the qualifications to do this? I've been in the fashion industry for well over 40 years. I have a degree in fashion merchandising. I've owned image consulting firms, still do, one in Miami, one in North Carolina, and I train stylists and color consultants how to serve their clients. And so I am glad that you're here, and today we're going to talk about how to dress in warm weather, but it's winter time. And so you want to wear all the winter trends, but yet it's really hot outside. Maybe you live in Arizona or Florida or Texas. And so what do you do in that case? And so today I have two real live women. Well, they're not live here. They're real women who sent me photos, and we are going to show those to you, and I can't wait for you to see. All right, so the first tip, and I have actually 8 tips for you today on how to do this. And so the first tip is to pay attention to the fabrics of your items. So especially your layering pieces. The first photo that we're going to show you is Amy. She lives in Florida, and she recommends switching out the layering piece. Well, both she and Cheryl, who I'm going to show you today, have gone through our Christian Image Consultant Academy. By the way, if you're interested in that, registration for early bird ends tonight. Just wanted to throw that in there. But the actual registration closes next week, but there's like a lot of money off today. So anyway, both Amy and Cheryl, who I'm going to show you today, have gone through our training. And so they're pros at this. And so I asked them to send me some photos of what they're wearing and how they're comparing it to one of our digital tools, which is the Closet Outfit Planner. And we actually lay out photos for you in there. And so, really, have you ever thought, I don't know what to wear, you're frustrated, you feel frumpy, you don't even know, and so everything, you just hate everything? Well, Closet Outfit Planner helps you. So what I'm showing you today are 4 outfits that have been taken from the Closet Outfit Planner that they swapped out for warm weather outfits in place of cooler weather outfits. All right, so number 1, I'm showing you Amy, and she is in this photo wearing black fancy pants. I love this. How beautiful is that? A black short sleeve shirt and a black kimono. All right, so the picture that she copied this from our planner is the dark jeans. And so really, you don't have to think about what to wear. You just copy. Dark jeans, the black leather blouse, and the black patterned wool cape. So she just swapped that out by wearing some lighter weight pants. And I love them. They're beautiful with some embroidery on them, and a short sleeve top, and then that lighter weight kimono, which also is short sleeve. All right, so that's actually the second tip for dressing in warm weather when it's winter out, is switch out your shirts. So instead of 3/4 that maybe we show in the planner or long sleeve, go ahead and swap that out for a sleeveless or a short sleeve. And whether you're wearing it by itself or you're putting a layering piece over top of it, that is super helpful to just kind of think, okay, I don't have to have the long sleeve. I can swap that for a short sleeve. And so that is the second tip. All right, tips 3, with 3 and 4, I'm using Cheryl as the model for this. Cheryl also lives in Florida. She lives in a park model residency, and so she has a small closet. She lives off of our 27 pieces. She believes in it. She's also one of our Style Squad members in the in our VIP community. We have so many things around here, but just bear with us. You don't have to be overwhelmed, one thing at a time. But one of the things that we recommend is go deeper with your colors. Even though it may be a lightweight layering piece, use the colors that we're showing you in the planner, which may be the more winter colors. So Cheryl is actually wearing white pants, and a silver blouse, and the kimono, right? The pattern kimono. In the planner, and it was outfit number 28, it was showing winter white pants, a silver sweater, and a puffy vest. So all she did was use that for inspiration and switch out. She still has the white pants on. And in the wintertime, I would say put away your linens, put away your silks. So maybe go for a little bit a sturdier cotton, something that's a little hardier fabric for your white pant. And you can see she just swapped that for her silver blouse and her kimono instead of the silver sweater and the puffy vest. And so that is the first tip for that. And then the second tip is wear a trending pattern. In the planner, we actually show you what patterns are trending in the fall, winter. I believe she took this from the fall, but just, do a plaid, whatever is trending. You don't have to think about it because we put it in there, but maybe it's an artistic watercolor or a mosaic or, a check or a plaid, or stripe even, whatever is trending, use that in your layering piece and you will look in style, yet you're wearing a lighter weight layering piece. All right, now let's take a look at Cheryl again, and we are going to give you tips 5 and 6 for this one. Tip number 5 is instead of actually wearing a kimono or a blazer or a jacket of some kind, wear a scarf as a layering piece. I think most of you who live in warm weather, if you go inside to a restaurant or even to a friend's house, air conditioning is on all the time, right? And so you don't want to probably leave home without a layering piece, but you can use a scarf and just drape it around your shoulders if you need to do that inside. We're showing you here, she took this inspiration off of outfit number 12 in our planner, which is it's the leather pants and silver sweater and the ankle boots. So you can see what she did. She swapped that out with she still has her leather pants on. She's got a silver blouse on. And so she just kind of looked at that, okay, kind of the same. And she wore a scarf in place. Now, are you going to wear leather pants in warm weather? It depends on the weight of the leather. There is faux leather that is really lightweight. I wore faux leather when I was in Florida in December. Absolutely fine. It was lightweight. You don't want to probably wear leather. It's hot, right? But I think a lightweight faux leather absolutely works. But she also switched out her footwear. You can see that she is wearing an open-toed kind of sandal, mule sandal type shoe in place of the winter boots that we were showing in that outfit. I think she did a terrific job on that. So that leads us to tip number 6, which is switching out the shoe. And so instead of a boot or a heavy shoe or footwear, go ahead and switch out your shoe to, an open-toed, a sandal, a mule, something that you absolutely love wearing in the summertime. Maybe it's a color that's a little deeper in color, but or a pop color, absolutely. And around here we love when you match your hair, your footwear, because it typically is going to give you a head to toe look. You don't have to always do that, but it is a good tip. Now let's get to tips number 7 and 8, and we are using Amy again in this photo. So if you're going to do a long sleeve top, get one that is a lighter weight, again, back to the fabric thing, and get one that has fun details on it. Look at the back of this kind of a high-low top. It's got a longer hemline in the back. It's a little shorter in the front. Get something that has interesting details. She took this inspiration from outfit number 1, and this is all from the Cool Planner. We have 6 planners based on your coloring. We've got a free test you can take to figure out what colors are best for you. Go to stylebycolor.com. There's a free quiz there. But in outfit number 1, it is showing black leather pants and a purple sweater. So what she's done is she's wearing black leather leggings, looks like in this, and a pink long sleeve top. And so it's just swapping out the top. Instead of the chunky sweater, it's a lightweight, but still a pop of color. And then number 8 is also in this same photo. Add a crossover bag for some detail. You don't have to go, even though you're in Florida, don't stick with your, put your straw, put your raffia bags away, your summer bags away. Switch it out for a heavier material of a bag. In this one, she has a crossover bag. It's platinum or silver, which is perfect for her because it does match her hair. But also you might want to add some larger accessories to complement your outfits. And so it's giving you a really classic yet fashionable look, but while still dressing in the warm weather. Because of her adding those larger accessories, it just adds interest. So remember, if you're interested in the Christian Image Consultant Academy or the Color Code Academy, Becoming Color Consultant, tonight's last night for early bird, 10 o'clock tonight. But registration's open for another week. You get like $2,000 off of one academy and $1,000 off of another. So you'd want to buy it today. Anyway, until next week, go to stylebycolor.com, check out all of our resources. We have so many things over there. I hope that you will go find that. And I'm happy that you're here. I hope I will see you next week. Every Saturday at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern, I bring a new video to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing week. Bye.